Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Google Chrome tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to add a home button to your toolbar here in Google Chrome. Now you may have had one in the past, but this is not a default feature in Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now the easiest way I find to get to the setting is to open up a brand new tab. So head up to the top, you'll see the little plus sign here. You can go ahead and left click on that. That'll give you a brand new tab. Now from here, head on down to the very bottom right-hand corner and you'll see the Customize Chrome option. Go ahead and select that. And that'll give you some options over here on the right-hand side. And we are looking for the toolbar option right here. You can go ahead and select that. And this will open up some toggle switches where you can turn on and off different widgets. So there's print, there's cast, and then right here at the top, you'll see there's an option that says navigation. And under that, it says home. And there's a toggle switch off to the right. Now, if I turn this on, it'll actually add that home button up here in the top left-hand corner. So if we head over to a website, I'll just head over to my website. And if we want to go home, we can just go ahead and hit that, and that'll take us to our home website. And honestly, it's really that easy to add a home button here in Google Chrome.